Protecting a home is one of the biggest priorities for a family. But no matter how much security you have in place, seeing who is at the door can be a big comfort to mum, dad or child.
Hi Mum.
Hi, can you let me in? I haven't got my key.
Yeah, sure.
DoorCam from Era is a smart home video doorbell which allows you to see and interact with visitors to your home via real-time video and two-way talk. The smart home video doorbell is triggered by a visitor pushing a button on the unit, or by its adjustable motion detection. The two-way talk feature is great for communicating with visitors when no one is home. Once DoorCam is triggered, it will contact the homeowner wherever they are and allow them to communicate with their visitor. Hello?
Parcel delivery?
Oh, we're just round the corner. Can you leave the parcel in our safe place?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. The DoorCam app allows you to adjust speaker and microphone volume as well as brightness and colour. For those without smartphones, there is a Wi-Fi plug-in chime included. The chime will sound out when DoorCam is triggered, and you can add more chime units to place around the home as required. The DoorCam app also contains a built-in history log, allowing you to access any previous snapshots and video clips of activity at your door. So whether you're interacting with visitors to the door or just keeping an eye on loved ones returning home safely, DoorCam takes the mystery out of the traffic flowing to and through your door. Answer the door wherever you are. See your caller in real time, adaptable to you. Hear it ring anywhere. Adjustable motion detection activates video.